Hi, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida, and today I want to talk to you about wheel skins. So come over here with me and let's go over the newest wheel skin we just got in. As you can see, this is one of the new body style Chevy Silverado, and this belongs to Jaimee from the South Florida Truck Club. This is her personal truck, and today we're going to be doing some wheel skins on her truck. So this is what the factory wheel looks like before we start. This is a 20-inch wheel skin. This is one of the bigger wheels, okay? They do make 17 to 18s and 20s. And now today we're doing a 20. So come over here. Jaimee, you can do chrome or black. What do you want to do today?
The black ones.
She's going to do blacks today. See, she's going to give it, which I see she's already got black step bars, so it only makes sense to do a black wheel skin. Now, to save some time, we've already removed the center cap. Now, when you remove the center cap, what you want to do is have a very small flat head, because you do have to pop that out of there. And it's a pain in the butt to do, by the way. So just get a real small one, pop it out. Now, to save time, of course, we have already removed that. Here's our skin. Now, these are exact fits. If you take a good look at this, look at that wheel, they are exact. This is a lot of people, oh, is it a hubcap? It is not a hubcap. A hubcap fits universal. Wheel skins are a skin. They're exact fit. That means this does not fit another vehicle. It only fits this wheel. You can't go and say, I want to get this on something else. It doesn't work. Now, of course, the better ones, which is this one, lets you take the center cap off. And we're going to go ahead and put it right in the middle of that, which is going to give you a totally factory look. Now, if you were to go and say, hey, I'm buying this truck, let me get black wheels from the factory, and then you see the price, over $1,000, and you're like, wow, maybe I won't get the black wheels from the factory. This is going to be about 10% of that, because again, they're going to be over $1,000. Now, these being the 20-inch skins, they're going to be a little bit more money than the 17 and 18, so keep that in mind. Now, when you put them on, obviously, see a little hole here? A little stem there. Pretty straightforward. You're going to go in there and line it up. Now, what you want to do, you take your hand in there, and I want you to go ahead and push all the way around here. Make sure it's locked in there very nice. Now, I want to point something out. Well, you go to the mechanic, and they're going to work on your wheels, and they go, can we take these off? Well, there's no need to. You have full access to the lug nuts. There's no reason a mechanic needs to take those off unless he needs to balance the wheels. And if you do need to take them off, you reach behind here, there's little clips. Now, it does take you a little bit of time to take them off. Unfortunately, taking them off is a lot more work than putting them on. As you can see, not too hard to put them on, and take a real good look how nice that looks. It matches the truck. Pull back a little bit, you can see how nice it is. Now, the nice thing about this, if you do want to purchase this, we sell these at C&H Auto Accessories. We can ship them anywhere in the country. So if you like it, just go ahead and call the store. The phone number is on the video, you'll see that. Now, they're not on the website because this is new. This just came out. This Jaimee's truck is the very first truck this wheel skin is getting. So you probably won't see too many out there, so again, give us a call. And again, if you like our videos, hit that like button, and as always, subscribe to our channel because we do appreciate that. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. Thank you.